Hey, thanks for checking out my video. Today we're going to make some oatmeal chocolate chip bars. They're super good and super easy to make. I will put the recipe down in the description. So let's get started. We need a cup of butter. I'm going to cream that just for a minute. Now I'm going to add our sugar. We've got a cup of brown sugar and half a cup of white sugar. I'm going to cream that for a few minutes. Okay, now I'm going to add the eggs. Going to add our vanilla, 2 teaspoons. Okay, now we're going to add our dry ingredients. And you can always put your dry ingredients in a separate bowl if you want, but I never like dirtying a second bowl. So I put them in the sieve and I just sift them right into the mixture right here. So I need a cup and a half of flour. One teaspoon baking soda. One teaspoon baking powder. Okay, last thing to put in is the chocolate chips and the oatmeal. And I wanted to mention that normally you would put in half a teaspoon of salt, but I used salted butter, so I'm not adding any extra salt. Putting in the oats. And the chocolate chips. Okay, so our dough is done. We're going to put it in you can use either an 8-inch pan and they'll be really thick. I'm going to use a 9-inch pan, so they'll be sort of medium thickness. Or you could use a 9x13 pan and then they'd just be a little thinner. So I'm going to go with a 9-inch pan. Okay, so I've got my trusty parchment paper in there, but I'm going to spray the sides where there isn't any parchment paper, just so that they'll come out nice and easy. Okay, so those are going to go in the oven for about 30 minutes, and then we'll let them cool just a little bit, and then we'll cut them. Okay, our cookie bars are done and they've cooled. I'm going to pull them right out by the parchment paper. They're nice and thick because I used a 9-inch pan. They would be thinner if it was a 9 by 13, and they'd be even a little thicker yet if it was an 8-inch pan. But they're delicious. They're easy to make. And I hope you enjoyed my video, and I hope to see you again soon. Take care.